David. Jamaica is my home. And I left Jamaica to make a better life for me and my son. And our son.
Oh.
And now that it is better, I'm home. I'm home.
I'm happy for you.
There's just one thing missing.
What would that be?
A companion. Someone to share it with.
You shouldn't have any difficulty locating somebody to fit that bill.
Did you know that I still use your last name? I am Audrey Mullings, and I'd like to keep it that way. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know you had company.
No, come in. Angie, Audrey.
Yes, I'm Audrey Mullings. I'm his wife. Oh, so you are the daughter that he speaks so much about? Aren't you a little too old though to be playing daughter? Aren't you a little too young to be playing wife? It's funny. I've heard about you. He just doesn't speak a lot about you. Well, yes, that's David. Dave's very secretive. But I can assure you, you'll definitely be seeing me back again. Now that I'm back in his life, you'll see me more often. Back in his life?
The bubbles.
Yes, I'm back around him. And soon our son will be too. Did he tell you? Did he tell you about our son? Our biological son at that? The one that came out of my vagina? It's that one. Yes. I've heard. Good. Well, let me leave father and daughter to, have their moment. But I'm sure we'll run into each other again. Run into each other? Yes, I'm sure we will.
Bubbles? Nice of you to drop by.
Okay, well, I guess that's my time to leave. But honey, we should do lunch sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Let's make a lunch date, okay? Okay, so I guess that's it. Honey, I will call you. So later. Me no like her.
You want smell?